Hey Mcasters, Michaela here today with a daily vlog. And yeah, here's the weather situation right now. My swimming pool is like literally almost full over the top. I've got my ponds covered because otherwise they would like way overflow. The little pond and the big pond. The tortoise enclosure outside, of course Hudson's not in there. I've noticed the center of the enclosure is the driest part. We have to, obviously, from watching this rain, I have to reinforce the roof some more for less water to be hitting inside because it's getting wetter than I'd like. Guapo, on the other hand, is nice and dry. He's on his very tip-top shelf in his enclosure, staying out of the rain. It's colder today. Being in Texas, we've heard of, golf ball size hail has happened not too far away from us. And yeah, this has not stopped since midnight. It's been hitting really, really hard. Like, I cannot believe how, look at how that water just overflowed the pool. Yeah. Yeah, Bubba had fun in his pool yesterday. He put his food plate in there. I think he stepped in it and then walked through it. And now it's pretty much the only thing left in there. It's clean water minus the residuals of tortoise chow sitting in the bottom of it. Yeah, the amount of rain that we get here in Houston is ridiculous. And it kind of makes me nervous. This is like Harvey type rain where it just doesn't stop and doesn't stop and doesn't stop. And we have lived through Harvey already. Hurricane Harvey we got super lucky. The rain and the water came up to our front door, but we did not flood. So we really were lucky. But if you drove a little ways behind us, you couldn't drive anymore because that's where you would be having to use a boat. So yeah, this weather is crazy. But yeah, here's our daily vlog. I haven't done one in a while. I'm getting ready to plan for my trip to Florida. So I'm excited for that, my birthday trip. So I'll be doing some videos, getting some good footage from Gatorland. And, oh, here we go. Cute black kitty. Hi, cute black kitty cat. Anakin, or just because. And it's dark in this house. And it looks like it's 8 o'clock at night. And Sheldon's sleeping. Because it's like, it's not 8 o'clock at night though. It's what, like 3-ish in the afternoon, but the house feels like it's dark. You see how dark it gets at night? Oh my gosh. It just feels like it's nighttime in here unless you put a light on. So oh yeah, here's an interesting thing. Fact about me. I collect fridge magnets, and there you go. Every magnet is a place I have been. Here, I'll let you see if you can find any you might have been that I've been. Oh, there's Tokyo. Whoop, there's Monterey. Let me see here. I don't know. There's New Zealand. Yep, and Australia. Oh, Tahoe, because I lived in the Bay Area. Here's a place not very many people go to. Beatty, Nevada. I lived in Vegas for almost 5 years, pretty much 5 years. And of course we've got Miami and yeah, Dominican Republic. Of course places like Gatorland or Gator Park in Florida. And Branson, Missouri. Fun. Houston Astros, of course. Oh, up here we got a lot of our Asian countries like Cambodia and Bali, Indonesia. Oh, we have some Marseille, France up there, Niagara Falls, Canada, and a lot of places in Spain. We drove all over Spain. So, yeah, there you go, Mcasters. Have a good one. Vlog's kind of maybe boring, but that's what today's day looks like. Boring. Looking out my window. Boring, but that's okay. Enjoying it. I'm gonna go hit a nap. Sounds like a plan. Take care. Bye.